Hi kids, this is Miss Maggie from Bayside. I'm gonna show you how to do the volcano. So the thing is to see, to feel, and to smell, not to taste, okay? So it's not safe to taste. Make sure everything's clean around you. Make sure you ask permission before you do this project. So the things that you need is water, baking soda, colors, soap, and vinegar. Okay, I'm gonna show you one way, and then later I'm gonna show you how to do the volcano. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this way right now. So have a cloth. If you have a mess, you can clean it up. Okay, so first we're gonna put water. We pour water, just a little bit of water, like half. It's a cup. Okay, mine is glass, but you can use plastic. Just, and then a spoon for the baking soda. We're touching. We're gonna mix, and then we're gonna use the water paint. Just a little bit of drop. You can put everything in here so it won't get a mess. Okay? So you mix. The color red. And this soap, you just pump a few pumps and mix it again. Okay, mix. You're touching the cup, you're touching the spoon, and you're gonna see what's gonna happen right now. Okay, you put everything here so you won't make a mess on your table, and you put vinegar. You guys ready? Here we go. You see how it goes up, the foam? And that's a volcano. And if you want to add more color, different color, you can. This is green. And I use this so I won't make a mess, okay? And mix. This is the color green. Mix. You see how it changes to a different color? Can you see? And you see how it goes up and down. Now it's the color green. Okay? I just want you to see it like clear. So now we move to the next one so you can see how to use a volcano, okay? Make sure you clean up your mess, okay? So now I'm gonna move this one over, and I'm gonna teach you how to make a volcano. This is just flour with water, okay? You put the cup in the middle, you go around it, you cover it. I'm touching it, I'm feeling it. So you see how I'm pushing it and pushing it and pushing it. I'm covering the cup. Now you're gonna see a volcano. Okay, so you do the same thing. You add water. If you spill, you have something to clean with, okay? So your mom and dad won't get upset because you're spilling, making a mess. I'm trying not to make a mess. Baking soda. 2 tablespoons. You mix. You can hear it. I'm mixing it. And just soap. Your water paint. You keep on mixing. You mix. And here we go. And vinegar. Whoa, you see? Looks like a volcano. You can add more colors to it. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.